Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Differential equations get easy fast when you match the derivative and the starting value. So watch this quick check and lock in the right function. Use the initial value idea. If dy over dx equals that cosine expression and y at 0 is 2, then the solution looks like 2 plus an integral starting at 0. Integrate the derivative correctly. Y equals the starting value plus the integral from 0 to x of cosine of pi over 2 times t squared dt, which builds in y of 0. Check the choices against that exact form, and only option D matches the required integral expression and the initial condition. So that is the winner. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Do not rush signs or bounds. Trust the given initial value and check each step carefully.